That's right. I'm down $186,216 or 8.75% for the month of June 2026. Now, I also must admit I'm still up 148% since a year ago, May. So I'm okay with that. But I want to share with you what I'm doing about it, how I'm addressing the situation. And the question that I ask myself as I open my portfolio and see all those red numbers is, what has changed? What has changed to take me from up 100 and over 150% to down 8.7% in this first 10 days of June? What has changed? Well, what has changed is that inflation is up. Probably we aren't going to have a decrease in interest rates as a result of inflation being up, and inflation is up because of the Iran war, and my grocery prices are up as fertilizer is up and everything within the supply chain is costing more. So it makes sense that my portfolio would be done in reaction to that. You add to that a liquidity question, probably not real, but a question that, is there going to be enough money to push my stocks higher as the money comes out of the market to get into SpaceX and OpenAI and philanthropy? Is that flow of money going to harm? And the question is there, and it may be real, but has anything changed on my 50 stocks? And this is what I want you to do. What I did. I opened up my brokerage account, I alphabetized my ticker symbols, and I went through each one of them and said, what has changed? What do they do? And where do they fit into my overall investment program? Then I go to my tell sheet and say, okay, based on their price today, what is Samantha telling me their price is going to be on January the 1st of 2029, or 28 or 27, whichever one I want? Probably not put as much emphasis on 27, because those things that are happening today could affect them. But I don't believe that the 2029 price is going to be affected by what's happening today. So I want to go through each of my stocks and ask myself that simple question. What do they do? And if I can't answer that, I better have notes somewhere that tell me. Because if I don't know what they do, I do not have an investment. I have a ticker symbol that I know nothing about. If you, on the other hand, say, I don't have time to do that, I choose to invest in indices, the S&P 500, or some other ETF, semiconductor ETF. If that's the way you choose to go, that's great. But that's not what we do at Best of Us Investors. We seek out those growth companies, and a growth company is a company that's growing its earnings or first of all, its revenues in excess of 20% a year, hopefully 40%, hopefully 50%, and then that's coming around and reflecting in the growth in their earnings. And that's also being substantiated by growth in their margins. So they're reaching scale so that every new dollar that comes in brings more profit to the bottom line. And every piece of revenue that is generated is more revenue to the average employee. So their revenue per employee is going up. So I know what I own. And so when I see situations like I am seeing today, I'm okay with it because I know where we're going. I did something else, and how I got here is I'm a retired financial advisor. I used to have to dig through annual reports and try to understand what a stock is doing and where it fits into its competition. But today I don't have to do that. I have Samantha. Samantha is an AI agent that I have trained to recognize what a growth stock is. I trained her. Who trained me? Goldman Sachs. They told me the steps a company goes through once they recognize a growth opportunity, how they gear up for it, how their balance sheet changes, how their cash flow changes, how their income statement changes, and what I need to look for, and what pattern they will follow to take me to the higher stock price. So I know that. I teach that to Samantha, and Samantha reviews every stock that I own on a regular basis so that I know what I own. So what I did today was I said, Samantha, I need your help even further. I want you to look at today's current market. I want you to look at the fact that for June of 2026, the bus portfolio is down $186,216 or 8.7%. I want you to put that into your equation, and I want you to tell me what I should do, what I should buy, what I should sell, and what I should hold. And then I said, now put this into a podcast. It's a 20-minute podcast where she and Bart discuss everything I just talked about and share it with you. I'm not going to charge you for it. I'm not going to make you jump through any hoops and give me your email address. I want you to have this because I know you're feeling insecure right now. And I want you to listen to it because I want you to know and be aware of what's possible and what's available to you today as an investor so that you can make better investment decisions, so that you can have a portfolio worth $2 million and have it down $186,216 in the last 10 days and be okay with it. I want you to have that security. And you'll only have that security when you have that level of knowledge. And it's my job to dispense that knowledge to you through this YouTube channel. And what I'm going to ask you to do in return is subscribe, just so you let YouTube know, Google know, that people value this information that Kerry is sharing, and he needs to share it with more people. We need to get 1 million people to see this video, to say, I could learn from that, and I could be a better person, and I can take care of my family, and I can put food on my table. There is no reason on this earth when we have companies that are worth trillions of dollars and are generating those kinds of profits that they're willing to share with us as investors. There's no reason anybody should be hungry. There's enough money to go around. The problem is it's all just kind of accumulating in a few places because the knowledge isn't being shared. That's my job. And this is your opportunity to get a free look at what that knowledge looks like. Go into the description, find the link to the podcast, not to my website, not to any sign-up forms, not to any email address gathering, to a podcast that is the most important thing that I have put out in the 3,350 videos to over 23 million viewers on YouTube since 2019. This is the most important thing I have given you. Take it, learn from it, and benefit from it. I hope you learn to become